Welcome on board to the new Delta. It's just foggy. This is the regular seats. Let me show you around quick. This is amazing. Still regular seats right here. This is Comfort Plus. Let me see how it is. You got space for your legs, not too bad. Oh, these people are lucky. And this is first class. It's not too bad. Space is way better than Comfort Plus. These people right here are lucky. And you come with your own headphones. They bring it. They bring it up. You know what I'm saying? And check this out, y'all. This is Delta One. It's incredible. Like I said, this plane is new, very beautiful. This is basically a bed. Look at, oh my God, Lord, look at that space, bro. You got your own remote. You can put anything here you want. I don't know how you get the AC. That's really high. Oh, this is nice. If you haven't flown with Delta, I recommend you do. It's incredible. Look at this. Look at this spot. The bathrooms are here. This is just incredible. The seats are nice. Look at the weights. Look at the design. It's like you're in a car, you know what I'm saying? You can charge your phone. I don't know what this is, but it looks interesting. Another kitchen, basically. Oh my God, look at that view, bro. And look at this. So, you see that building right there? The brown building, I don't know if you can see it. It's the new airport, Salt Lake City International Airport. And look at this wing. It's the same size as that plane. Oh my God. And this is how we organize, you know, our seatbelts, clean the plane, check the pockets, make sure we don't have nothing inside, you know what I'm saying? Oh, let me touch this. Like I said, the space is incredible. I love it. My boss is vacuuming. Hello.
Hello.
That's my best friend, Loria. Oh man. Oh, if I ever fly again, maybe I will in December, I want to sit here. It's amazing. Hola, amigo. My best friend, Andrew. What's up, Andrew? What's up? Just amazing. Yeah, check out the new airport. So they're gonna tear down the old building and make a new one again, because that's the half of it. There's still more to come, so like, comment, and make sure to share this video. And take care, y'all.